In this video, I'll show you how you can use Trello for social media planning so you can be a lot more productive and so you can get more done. So I use Trello personally for all of my YouTube channels, and it helps me organize what I need to do on a specific day. So the first thing that I suggest you do when you've got an account on Trello is go and create a Trello board for your social media account. Now maybe you run one account, two accounts, three accounts, it doesn't matter, but go and create a board for each individual account. So in my case, I've got the Success Online YouTube channel, I've got my KnowledgeBase YouTube channel, which you're watching this video on, and I have another YouTube channel called Click Relay. Now all of these have their own individual board. So if I was to go to KnowledgeBase here, what I do on KnowledgeBase is I have a video hit list, which I can take a video from, and I can move that when I'm ready to my weekly to-do. And that leads me on to my second point. I recommend you go and create a weekly to-do board or a work week board. So if I go to my work week board here and we just go to Sunday, I've got some things that I need to do here. So I need to create an Amazon FBA mockups video. I need to research Click and Bank. I need to make this video here, how to use Trello for social media, and best free logo maker website. Now my Trello work week looks like this because I've created a new list for every single day. To do that, you just double click on the page and you can go and create a new list here. So I've got a list for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I've also got a list here for videos. Now what I recommend you do is, like I said, organize your Trello like this so you've got a work week and you've got an individual Trello page for your social medias. Then when you want to move a video or you want to schedule a post, you can go ahead and click on the edit button, you can go move, and you can move it here to the work week board, and say we want to do this on Monday, I can just move it there. Now this video or the social media post is going to be in Monday here, and now I know that I need to upload it on Monday. Now what I do with my videos here, I do something kind of unique, I think. When a video is recorded, I go and highlight it green. So once I've recorded this video here, I'm going to go to edit labels and highlight it green. And I know visually now that this video is recorded. And if you're just doing social media, you can do this. For example, let's say you've made the image for the post. Once my video is edited, I go and highlight this yellow. And then once it's uploaded, I go and add an orange to it. So now I know that this video is fully uploaded. So visually, I know that this video is uploaded, and all I need to do now is go and edit the title and do the thumbnail. And that's why I've got all of these videos here. These videos are all ready to go. I just need to go and add the thumbnail to them. And you can utilize these labels for your business here, and because these labels really give you a visual representation of what's been done already. Another thing you can do, you can also invite people, and you can invite a team to your board, and you can give certain team members different tasks. So if I wanted to give this task here to someone in my team, I can change the members and I can go and add a team member. And you can see visually who's meant to be doing that task there. So that's how I use Trello to manage my YouTube channels. You can go and apply it to your online business. Again, you're going to have to customize it to what works for you, but that's just an example of how I use it personally. I hope that video helped you out. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe.